Thomas the Train has left an impact of us all. In many ways, more than one, Thomas the Train has left an impact. Well, for their 60th anniversary, they came out with a movie. And you know what? That movie's not half bad. So I have a lot of respect for this movie, actually, because a lot of the creators of the movie, they took it like the next step up from the TV show, which I haven't seen a lot of the TV show, but what I have seen from it, a little bit of the effects are worse, and the songs are worse than the movie. And the movie, it's got a pretty actually good message that toddlers could learn that I think would work out pretty well. Yo guys, so this definitely isn't my favorite video. I really wanted to go more in depth with the video, but I'm gonna leave it simplified. Maybe someday in the future I'll revisit this Thomas the Train movie. But I've watched this when I was younger, and I actually really enjoyed it when I was younger. It made a pretty good impact on me. What I'm going to mainly talk about today is the message of it. It actually has an anti-racism message in it. They're saying how the diesels and steamies are different, which I think that's kind of obvious, but yeah, it's nothing wrong with the movie. They definitely upped the songs. That was kind of off topic, but I mean, it's the songs, bro. You gotta have that. And a musical masterpiece, just like Thomas the Train. So highly esteemed that Dr. Phil himself knows what Tommy the Train is. But he doesn't know how to pronounce it, that's for sure. But the message is kind of like diesels, steamies, different. They get in like a hate war, bro. They go into violence. I never thought there'd be so much violence in a movie with like no hands. That's kind of strange to me, man. No hands and you're having a movie with violence. And the racism message kind of cool. My first viewing of the movie, Thomas gets like a dream where one of his friends working with the diesel, and it shocks him because they're getting productive and all that stuff. But at first I didn't really like this because this is what drove Thomas to change. But afterwards I did like it because I remembered this phrase. Martin Luther King said, "One day that I have a dream that," and that's what started it all. It was a dream. So I think it's pretty cool that Thomas changing that is what happened to dream. And the steamies and the diesels don't immediately accept this. This isn't a stupid kids movie. This is a masterpiece. Probably better than a lot of animated movies I've actually seen. A lot of the like how it looks is pretty just. And sometimes they'll get off topic with some learning moments because it's a kids movie. I would like it better if they didn't do that. But other than that, I really like this movie. Now, the message I think was done pretty well actually. And they got a banger of a song. I can even remember some of the lyrics from there. Steamies, diesels. Wait, let me remember. I know I completely contradicted what I last said, but okay. Steamy diesels, engine to try to make things better. They both have a different role. We need oil, we need coal. All of us have just one goal. Try to do things better. I'm sorry for that horrible singing. I could probably do it better, but as our finale intro, we are definitely going to be playing that song. And it's going to be fire, my man. It's going to be exact fire. That song, I can listen to so much. I don't have to have anything else played but that one song to inspire me to get up. Plus, during that song, it has a pretty entertaining segment where they fight each other. Another thing is, it never really gets boring. It's an hour long. You can even watch it on YouTube. Look it up right now. Thomas the Train Calling All Engines. You can watch the full movie. It will change you, my man. It will change you to the two people that are watching this right now. Well, this has been a video. It's not the most proud one. I'm going to be planning to do more videos, up the quality. Hopefully you enjoyed this one, and I'm going to make an in-depth analysis of this movie in a different time of my life. But let's roll the outro.